Want to know how to use characters in Toca Boca? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Toca Boca application or the game and make sure you are under any house that you want. So now once you're there, here you can just simply use your characters accordingly. So I can just simply select this character on the bottom right side and I can just simply choose any character to get with. So I can just simply use this character just like this right here. I can either make them sit in the dining table just like this, feed them food, or make them do the dishes and much more. So again, this is really easy for roleplay. So I can also get through them through this objects right here, give them objects just like this, and I can just use them like this in order to get through different rooms as well. So I can just simply place them here, click some photos and get photos as well, just like this. So it is a really interactive game where you can just simply choose your characters. So I can also do this for multiple characters as well. So just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.